Hey people, happy new month. Welcome to the month of October. I wish you all blessed new months ahead. So the many months will be a blessing to all of us. So welcome to my kitchen. Today I am making bitter leaf soup in my kitchen. So you can see right now I'm just cooking the meat. Look at the meat. So I'm cooking a small portion of bitter leaf soup. Yeah, just like maybe 5 plates. I'm not cooking that much. So I have my cocoyam paste here. I first of all cook the cocoyam before I blended it. So I also have crayfish. I have bitter leaf. So here is bitter leaf. So I'll be putting this one lastly. I have crayfish. These are just normal things. I'm just telling you the ingredient I've been using. Okay, I've already boiled the meat before, so I'm steaming it together. We have red oil. Here is Nigerian red oil, so you can get it anywhere in African shop here in Kuala Lumpur. So I have stockfish. I have dry fish. So I've already put the stockfish in the pot. Then I'll go by adding this cocoyam paste. Yes, time to add this. So after adding this, I'll be adding crayfish. I'll be adding crayfish and what else? Yeah, I'll be adding crayfish, then I'll be adding dry fish. I've already cooked the dry fish also. All this is just I cook all of them and keep. Anytime I want to cook a small portion of soup, I'll just add them up. It doesn't take time. Within 20 minutes, I'm already done. You understand? So I'm just showing you guys the highlight how I cook my food in my kitchen. Yes. So for those of you that stays in Malaysia here in Kuala Lumpur, please, if you need any delicious African food, you can contact us. We deliver anywhere you are. We sell in affordable price, and our food is very, very delicious. Very, very yummy. I can guarantee you that. So while the pot is cooking, we are going to get other ingredients ready. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. This is the crayfish that I use. You can get this crayfish anywhere in a conserve, any Malaysia grocery store. Yeah, it's local crayfish. I don't use the Nigerian crayfish. There's one thing about us. We that is in Nigeria, we want something that comes from abroad. So some of us that is here in Malaysia, we want something that comes from Nigeria. So me, I just buy something that I know is good. You understand? It doesn't matter whether it's from Nigeria or whether it's from Kafanchan or Cotonou. You understand? As long as it's the same thing, it gives me the same taste, I will use it. Yes. So this is Malaysian crayfish and it's very nice. No, very clean. So this is what I use. You can also use your Nigerian crayfish. It's up to you. So finally, I've added the bitter leaf. I have added the bitter leaf. Our yummy bitter leaf soup is ready. Let me have a quick taste. Very yummy, very delicious. Thank you for watching. See you next time.